I make breakfast in kitchen. First, I crack an egg. Now, I stir it.
I peel potatoes.
Take food from fridge.
Take food from fridge. An apple.
I fry an egg. First, I use the spatula. I flip it over.
I close the fridge. The fridge is closed now.
I turn on stove. See the flame? The stove is on. I am cutting vegetables. I am cutting vegetables. I am cutting vegetables.
I taste soup. It's yummy.
Add salt. This makes the soup taste better. Now it's ready to eat. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. Pour water into glass. The glass is full.
I wash dishes. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All clean.
I dry the dishes. I wipe the plate. I put it here. I clean the counter. I use a sponge to clean it.
I wash my hands in the kitchen with little water and soap, nice and clean.
I make a coffee. I pour the coffee. The coffee is ready. I heat the food. I stir the vegetables. They are cooking. I eat breakfast in kitchen. I hold a spoon. I hold a spoon. I add sugar to tea. I stir the tea.
I wash the vegetables. First, I wash the carrot. I knead the dough. I press and fold it. This makes it smooth.
I bake the cookies. I put the dough on the tray. Now they are ready to bake. I boil the water. I wear an apron. An apron keeps my clothes clean. Your turn. I cook with my daughter.
I help Mommy.
It's delicious.
Yay!
I add oil in pan. I made toast. Let's get the other slice. Now I have 2 slices.
I cook rice. I cook rice. I turn off stove. Stove is off.
I remove an apron.